Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about transpose command in Excel. So this command is used to rearrange the data in column wise to row wise and row wise to column wise. First you have to do select the range of data you want to rechange. So including all the rows and columns. After selecting this all data, and you have to make it copy of this one. You can use the Ctrl C or you can use the you can click on that icon of the copy of that. After that, paste and transpose option I selected. When I selected the whatever data I have selected before, so all the data will be rearranged column to what here you can see the vertical line. So here I'm having the title, so I'm changing that one by wrapping the text, because that all data I can see very easily. So merging the cell means merging two cells, and it is very easy to see all the data. And after that, wrapping the text will help you to display all the data in that particular cell. Here you can see all the dates which are arranged horizontally. Before it, these are all in the vertical way. So here you can see the department of the data, what I am given the example here, and you can make the additions and you can use the formula for the calculation, the what similarly you have done in the selected data where you have previously. So here I use the summing the datas, and also you can change the font size, so you can whatever modification you want, you can do here. So all the serial number, date and department, whatever data, that all should be displayed in the vertical line now. So this is the way how you can calculate the data of all in the column wise to row wise. So here all the data I selected first and I rearranged by using the transposition. So first you have to select the data, and after that you can copy and you can paste in the format of rearranging of transposition. So this is the thing how you can use that data rearranging. Thank you one and all.